Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Arslan Shahid, and this is the course project of the course Human Factors in AI, which is a part of AI Product Management Specialization. So the first part of the project is task analysis, and for that I have identified the problem that getting real-time customer feedback online, and the problem description will be businesses need to continuously improve their products and services to meet the customer expectations. Traditional feedback mechanisms like surveys or reviews are often slow and can be biased or unrepresentative. Real time customer feedback can provide timely insights into customer satisfaction. And the main task is to develop a platform that captures real time customer feedback through online interactions, analyzes the feedback using machine learning algorithms, and provides actionable insights to businesses. I have broken down this task into certain steps, which are as follows. The first step will be to identify feedback resources. So, for that, we have to define which online interactions will be monitored for feedback, such as social media posts, chat interactions, website behavior, and direct feedback forms. Then, after identifying these feedback sources, we have to collect the data and we have to then analyze our feedback or depending on the data we have collected using the NLP natural language processing. And then we have to generate insights. We have to develop dashboards, reporting tools that visualize that analyze data and highlight key insights such as frequent complaints, common praise points, and overall sentimental trends. And then from those insights, we have to derive actions and recommendations, like to generate actionable recommendations for businesses based on the insights. And then the insights themselves from this task analysis steps, which will be like simplification and improved user experience. These two things will be targeted for this. And then the second part of our presentation is user experience design, in which we are proposing a solution for the user interaction. Like in the initial step, users will set up their account and integrate their online platforms. And then users will have access to an online dashboard where they can view real time feedback. And also, users can set up alerts for specific feedback events. The key considerations will be user inputs and feedback loops. Feedback loops are established by allowing users to provide feedback on the system's recommendations. Then the transparency on the model will be also a consideration. We have to clearly communicate how the machine learning models analyze feedback and generate insights, and then communicating uncertainty. Then the third step and the third point of our project is privacy considerations and the privacy concerns with regard to the data collection and data usage. And the following applicable privacy laws will apply, like GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, which ensures that personal data is collected legally and under strict conditions. Also, CCPA, which is California Consumer Privacy Act, which grants consumers rights regarding their personal information, including the right to know what personal data is being collected and the right to delete personal information held by businesses. And there are following obligations like we have to obtain explicit consent from the customers before collecting their data, implement data anonymization techniques to protect customer identities, and to provide customers with options to access, correct, and delete their personal data. And the final part of our project is the ethical considerations that we have to keep in our mind, like there are potential sources of biasness in the data, which are sampling bias and algorithmic bias. Like feedback collected might not be representative of the entire customer base, if it overrepresents certain groups. And the machine learning models might inadvertently learn and propagate existing biasness present in the training data. And the second part is meeting ethical AI goals, which includes fairness, accountability, and transparency. So, this is all about this project. I hope I covered all the steps and all the mandatory things for the project. Thank you so much for listening to me.